Today I'm gonna tell you right now, this is my first time. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try this. Hello, 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 and hello. I didn't say hello, I said hello to everyone. With Simple Cooking with Braden brand, it's cauliflower, and I'm gonna make the cauliflower into mashed potatoes. Now, I haven't tasted it before, so I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but I'm gonna do my best. So let's start right now. Now I'm taking my cauliflower and I'm opening it up in the bag. And open the bag. Open the bag. Okay. Then I take it that we're supposed to take all the greenery off like I do cabbage. Okay? I guess this is right now, you all. Don't send me no bad mail. I really need me a little wine while I'm doing this, but okay, I'm gonna cut it up. First, let me rinse it off. Okay, I rinsed it off. I don't know, so I think I'm gonna do it the way I would normally do cabbage. And I'm gonna cut out the middle part. I don't know if it's right or not, but I am. People say it's really good. I'm gonna see, because I don't want to go on somebody else's word about if cauliflower cooked into mashed potatoes is really good until I try it myself. So I'm gonna cut it up, since it's gonna be mashed potatoes anyway. I'm gonna cut it up into small chunks, and I'm gonna get this part out. I'm almost believing you don't supposed to keep that part in. It's almost like broccoli. Oh yes, I'm gonna have some broccoli too. And you cut it up, cut the brown pieces off. Okay, I got that. I'm cutting it. Okay. Now if I'm wrong, leave me some comments down below in the comment section and tell me what I should have done. Like I said, it's my first time, so I don't know. I just want to taste it because they say it's really good. I'm gonna give it to my grandson. He might say, "Ooh, Grandma, that's not right, Grandma." That's what he would say. "That's not right, Grandma." Okay, I'm gonna cook me a little broccoli real quick, so I might as well go ahead and cut that. I don't like the stems. My brother said, "Why are you cutting the stems off?" I don't like the stems. So I just cut the broccoli, and I like the broccolettes. If that's what you want to call it, I might have made a name for it. I'm not sure, but I like the broccolettes. Not a lot, because Braden is the one that, my grandson is the one that got me to eating broccoli like this here. He would eat a whole broccoli stem when he was little. And as he get older and realize it was broccoli, he's like, "I don't want that." I'm like, "Why you don't want it? Because you used to eat it all the time." He probably saying because I didn't know any better. Okay, so there's my broccoli. It cooks faster. So I'm gonna add a little onion, bell pepper, a little brown sugar, and some lemon pepper, and then it'll be ready. Okay, so it's still hard. It's still hard, so I'm okay with that. There's my broccoli, okay? And there's my cauliflower. It's still hard. I feel like it's kind of getting soft to me. Give it about 10 more minutes. I'm gonna turn it down to like 5. Forgot to turn the light on, y'all. Look, sometimes we forget, for real. Anyway, I'm getting close to it. I gotta go find some meat to go with it. And he loves cornbread, so I'm gonna try to find some meat, cornbread, something else to go with it. But I have my broccoli. It looked like it's gonna be good. So I won't know until my daughter tastes it, and I taste it, and he tastes it, and see if it's something that we can put in our Sunday meals. Give it a little flavor. She'll probably kill me. She'll say this is too much margarine, but I like to have flavor in mine. And my Parmesan pepper and my salt. And I think it's already ready, you all. So, this is my Love You Mom collection. I have the t-shirts, the mugs, and the tote bags coming more towards Mother's Day. Like, my mom passed away, and so I wanted to make something in representation of her because we used to like to drink coffee all the time. So I made this shirt, and this is my design, and it says every time I take a sip, I'm thinking about you. Love you, Mom. Now some people want to customize their shirts and put their actual mother's name on it. Some people whose mothers are still here today, they're buying the shirts right now online, and I'll put the information at the end of this video. But anyway, this is my shirt. I designed it. I like it. This is my almond milk that I'm adding, and I'm gonna swish it around a little bit, and now I'm gonna add a little Parmesan cheese to it. Just a little, you all. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try. This is my first time. You think that'll take away the flavor from it? I don't know. People that like cheese, they would say that adds flavor to it. Here is my cauliflower, and I made it into mashed potatoes. It's just like mashed potatoes. Look good like mashed potatoes. Let me finish stirring. And I really thank you all for coming to Simple Cooking with Braden brand. I cook like simple meals. They're not hard meals where you gotta find 15 different ingredients. It's everyday meals that you eat when you get home from work. So that's the type of meals I like to cook. But I want to share with you the Southern style, how we cook it. Ta-da! Here's my broccoli and my cauliflower made into mashed potatoes. That looks so good. All we're missing right now is the meat. And that's coming pretty soon. Thanks for coming to Braden brand in the kitchen with Simple Cooking. I'll see you next week.